All right. Hello guys. So welcome back to my video again. And in this video, we are going to talk about the SQL stored procedure. So what are stored procedures? Stored procedure are you can say a procedure that can store your SQL query so that you don't have to write it every time, right? Okay. So now what is the syntax of this? The syntax is kind of a little bit weird in case of MySQL. In case of SQL, it is quite straightforward. But in MySQL, we write it like this. So first, we need to write delimiter, then slash slash. We need to put a space as well. Then we need to put two slashes, and then we have create procedure and get all the products. So this is the procedure name. Okay, this is the procedure name. Now in this procedure, what we want is we want to write a query that is this. Okay, that is nothing but select all from products data. Okay, and that's why I have named this stored procedure as get all products, because I'm getting all the product information from the products data. And then after your SQL query is finished, then you will have to put an end, then double slashes, and then you will have to put this delimiter again, and then you will have to put a semicolon over here. Okay, so this is how it works. I will also try to write it down. Okay, so okay, first let me show you if I kind of run this, what happens. So let me just run it. So you see, it has successfully created a stored procedure. Now on the left hand side, if you see, so under the practice database, we have the tables, and here if you come, we have the stored procedure as well. Okay, so now we just created one stored procedure. Let me just try to refresh it, and you will see that get all products. So it has created a stored procedure for us. Okay, now every time, let's say, forget about this code. Okay, we don't have this code. So every time I want to run select all products from product data, what I'll have to do is I'll have to just write call, and then I'll have to put the stored procedure name. That's it. If you write get, it will come, and then you just need to run it. Okay, so if you run it, as you can see, it has run get all the products, and then it is giving all the product details from the products data. Okay, so this is how you can create a stored procedure. Now let's create another stored procedure to see how it really works, right? So first of all, as we have seen, that we need to first write delimiter over there. So I'll just write delimiter. Okay, and then I will put two slashes, and then over here I will just write create procedure. Okay, create procedure. Now in this case, what I can do is I can put this code. Okay, so that I don't have to write this every time. Okay, so what I can do is select the procedure name that I want to put as, let's say, price. Let's try to put this price category. Okay, and I will just do a bracket open and bracket close, because that is what the syntax says. And then I will have to begin it. Right now, in order to begin it, what I'll have to write is begin. Simply just write begin, and then I will have to put the SQL code. Okay, so let me just get these code, because this is what I want to put. Okay, and we have seen this, how we can use the case statement, right? And that's what we are going to place over here. So I have just placed it, and it's in order to maintain the readability, I will just put a tab over here, so that everything is aligned. And then after, so from here I have started the delimiter, and we are creating the stored procedure called price category. And then what I'll have to do is, after this code, I will have to just put an end over here, and then after end I'll have to put two slashes, and then I will have to write the delimiter again over here, and then put a semicolon. Okay, now if we do this, it should work. Now let's see whether it works or not. Let me just try to select the whole thing, and then it's showing one error. uh Delimiter. Okay, see what I've done wrong. Delimiter. I don't think I've done anything wrong, but let's try to. Delimiter is not valid at this position. Okay, let me just try to and then just give uh, 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 Okay, now let's run this one. But price category already exists. Okay, so it has already created a price category. I don't know how. So let me just try to call this. I will just put a call and then I will write the price category, and then let's see what happens. I'll just try to run this one. Yeah, it has done it, right? I don't know what the error was, but it was really unfortunate. Okay, so it happens sometimes. So now you can see the price category stored procedure is already created. So you don't need to go and create anything over here, right? What you can just do is you can you can just call the price category, and all the SQL query that are inside here it will run. Okay, you don't have to do anything. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. See you in the next lecture.